Hi everyone, this is Pancho here. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what is stress. I get a lot of salespeople who are stressed. They approach it in a very irrational manner of how to actually understand and cope with stress. So as you can see in the PowerPoint over here, stress has two forms. One aspect of stress, which is you're hurt, and another aspect is you're feeling something, you're losing something. So as salespeople, you know, we lose deals. As sales directors, we're not making our quotas, whatever the case may be. So if you look at loss actually creates anxiety within ourselves. So we're not going to get the deal, we feel anxious. When we feel hurt, like criticism or feedback from clients or just feeling hurt because of comments from others, we actually get angry. And what actually happens, this affects our well-being, but also our confidence. When anxiety kicks in, we have a drop of confidence. And what actually happens is that, of course, we think we're going to lose something. Now, when we have anger, it affects our well-being as well. So what actually happens is that we get angry, it affects us emotionally, and both well-being and confidence makes a hit on our self-esteem. So we actually suffer long term. And this is one of the key things that we teach in our training sessions, and often sometimes we get a huge uplift in sales from salespeople because they actually understand their emotional mindset so much better, what's actually going on inside their head. They get very strategic in actually understanding, you know, what is stress? Is it because I'm losing a deal, or is it because I'm feeling hurt, someone's criticized me? So it's actually getting really, really rational. And this has, in some cases, doubled deals in a matter of months without any sales training. There's not enough work done on this area whereby everyone thinks it's all about training. So if this is important for you to understand, not only for your sales, but in your life, how well do you actually run that? Then this is something that perhaps we should have a conversation about. So feel free to message me and we'll be in touch.